I'm Jersem, and today I'm going to teach you how to solve PBR. Just remember the formulas and you'll be fine. So here are the markers for PBR or percentage Bayesian rate. So P is equal to percentage, B is equal to base, R is equal to rate. So then let's start. First, we're going to define what is percentage. Percentage is the variable in the percentage formula that represents a part of the base. So it's just the part of the base, not the whole thing. Remember, it's just a part of the base. Next, what is the base? The base is the number represents 100% or the whole thing, or the whole thing, or the total value of something. So the base is just like 100% or like the whole amount. Like 1K is equal to 100%, 500 is equal to 50%, so on and so forth. Next, what is rate? The rate defines what part the percentage is of the base. So just keep in mind of that because it's going to be really useful. So now next, hints for PBR or the basics. Before answering the question, make sure that you know what you're solving. For example, base, the keyword is off. Example, 135 is 50% of what? Since the word off, that's a key that you're solving for the base. But for the percentage, the keyword is the word is. Is, for example, what is 40% of 150? So yeah, for rate, it's this sign called the percent sign. So 25 is what percent of 250? So remember, that's rate. Okay? And is and off. And you're good to go. The formulas, I think this is the part that you were waiting for. So for percentage, base times rate equals to percentage. Or base times rate equals percentage. For example, 98 times 21%. But sometimes it's not gonna be that easy. So keep in mind that always remember this formula, you will be fine. For base, rate divided by percentage. Yeah, rate divided by percentage is equal to base. Or in shortcut, R divided by P is equal to B. So that's for base. For base. For example, you have to wait for rate. So the rate has to be, the one dividing the percentage to get the base. So, for example, 40% divided by 20. And if you know long division, you can solve this. 40% divided by 20. For rate, percentage divided by base is equal to rate. So technically, yeah. So shortcut, R, P divided by B is equal to R. So 25 divided by 250 is equal to 25%. So don't forget to change it into percent, into rate or percent. You can take a screenshot of this so that you'll get like a basis on, so they can copy it. Next, number 1. So this is an example. 38 is what percent of 350? So if we go back, or let's go back, you'll know how to solve this. So I'll give you time. Starts now. Are you done? So the answer is 9.21. If you got that correct, good job. Next, number 2. We have 250 is 25% of what? Look at the keywords, oh. What are you looking for there? Look at the keywords. I'll give you time. Starts now. Are you done? So the answer is 1,000. If you got this correct, good job. High five. Next, number 3. 60% of 389 is... So what are you looking for? What are you looking for? Remember, I'll give you a recap. So, how you're gonna solve percentage is equal to base times rate. While solving for base, it's going to be rate. Rate divided by percentage. Or percentage divided by rate. So, for rate, base divided by percentage. Yeah, base divided by percentage. So here we're looking for percentage. So I think you should know this by now. What is the answer? The answer is 233.4. If you got it perfect, good job. Good job. Seems like you mastered it already. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's see you in the next video. Bye-bye.